In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Grok 3 to SuperGrok. We'll walk through the full process from opening Grok to confirming your upgrade, so you can unlock enhanced AI capabilities, faster response times, and priority access to new features with confidence. Start by opening Grok 3 in your web browser or launching the Grok app on your device. Once it's open, sign into your account so the upgrade applies to the right profile. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, head to your account area. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon or account menu. This is where you'll manage your subscription and any upgrades. Inside the account menu, find the option labeled Upgrade or SuperGrok. Different layouts may phrase it slightly differently, but anything that mentions upgrading or SuperGrok is what you want. Click into that to see the available plan. Choose the SuperGrok plan by selecting Upgrade to SuperGrok. Take a moment to review what comes with it. You'll see enhanced AI capabilities designed to boost accuracy and depth, faster response times that keep your workflow moving, and priority access to new features so you can try the latest tools as soon as they roll out. If you want to follow along on your own device, you'll find the official website link and the app download link pinned right at the top of the description for easy access. Now pick your preferred payment method. Enter the required billing details carefully, making sure your name, address, and card information match your provider's records. If there are regional taxes or a chosen currency, confirm those settings before you proceed. When everything looks correct, click Confirm or Upgrade now to finalize the purchase. You should see an on-screen confirmation that your account has been upgraded to SuperGrok. Keep an eye on your email as well, since a receipt or confirmation message typically arrives there for your records. Once your upgrade is complete, you can start using SuperGrok features immediately. Open a fresh chat to experience the faster responses, and check your settings for any new options enabled by the plan. If you don't see changes right away, try refreshing the page or relaunching the app to sync your account. From here on out, you'll have access to all the benefits that come with SuperGrok, right inside your existing workflows. That's how you upgrade your Grok 3 account to SuperGrok quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.